Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever been out in your garden or around the edges of your garden and see weeds that need to be pulled, but you're too limited in mobility or lazy to pull them? Well, I have something that I got in the mail that may be a benefit to you and me both. This video is sponsored by Dear Fami, and the company reached out to me to see if I would be interested in doing a review of their manual weed puller. So naturally I said yes, and it came in this box. So we're going to do the opening, and inside this box is the actual device. So it comes pretty packaged pretty well. Has directions that come with it, and it looks like this. Hopefully you can see pretty well. So I'm going to put it together and put it through its paces. Okay, first thing it says is to take this and install it to the handle. This is the first handle. And everything screws on relatively easy. Take everything out of the plastic first. That will probably be easier. Okay. So we have the handle. We have an orange connector that we're going to screw on. Okay, that part is connected. Next, we're going to take another part of the handle and screw it into the end part of the orange connector. Next, we're going to take another orange connector. Then we're going to take the final piece of the pole, connect it into the connector, orange connector here. Screw it together. And last but not least, connect the end piece. We have it completely put together. You have the handle with cushion. You have the orange, one of the orange connectors. You have another piece of the aluminum metal that with the brand name here, another orange connector, the end piece, and the actual piece, the actual gripper here. So again, take the tool, the grippers, place it over the weed, pull back, and up pops the weed. We're going to do one more. Over the weed, pull back, and there we go. Over the weed, pull back, and there we go. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have enjoyed seeing this in use. Like I said, for people that don't like bending over or have just a few weeds or have mobility issues, this is great. And I want to thank the company Defami for reaching out to me and asking me would I mind doing a review of it. Honestly, here where I'm at now comes in handy. My area has a lot of grass, but then again, it has weeds too. So I try my best to get out and get the weeds, but sometimes I'm not feeling my best, and this will help. This is going to be great. So as I mentioned before, the grabber or tool is crafted out of aluminum. It's lightweight, but it's sturdier than bamboo. It has a stainless steel fork design on head connection, so it will not be breaking anytime soon. It's slip resistant. The standing weed puller is designed to protect knees and backs, making it almost effortlessly. So, as I said before, if you're interested in purchasing one, I'll leave a link for it and a discount code in the description portion of the video and also in the comment section of the video. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we reviewed this product. It is a useful tool, and I think I will like it very much and make very good use of it. Again, I want to reach out and thank dear Fami for asking me to do the review. If you haven't joined or subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. If this is your first time here, I do product reviews. I also grow lots of vegetables. I do canning and cooking inside as well, and even bake cakes. So I'm pretty sure that you would enjoy my channel. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you're a returning subscriber or a visitor, thank you. I appreciate it tremendously. You guys have made the channel grow and become larger than I ever thought it could be. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God. For without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.